có cái nang buồng trứng trái.
Yeah, but kiếm cái tử cung ngã trước á. Kiếm một cái nào tử cung. I will take another patient just real quick for her and we will lấy một cái ca nào tử cung ngã trước, nó siêu thấy tử cung ngã trước đem ra đây cho chị. Giờ này I will check.
So let me show you one. We can. She has. She has adenomyosis.
Yeah.
But if you pull out a little bit, but she has endometrioma down here. Yeah. Yeah. So let's just make sure there's no blood flow inside. What I do, I increase the gain until like this, and I go back. This way I know that I'm picking up all the capillary flow. I make sure my velocity is between 5 and 10 centimeter, and I do like this in all gynecology, and then I go back. That tells me for sure that I am, yeah. You take picture here, or, yeah. So this is just the septation inside the ovary is normal.
And how about this? Is it artifact?
No, this is, she had a septum inside the ovary that has blood flow, but is not inside the endometrioma. This is ovarian tissue. This is okay.
Okay.
You see how the vessel is inside the septation.
Em ghi buồng trứng trái có một khối lưu huỳnh chị đi chưa?
Dạ rồi.
Đây cô kém dạng hay có vách, có hai thùy, không chồi.
Yeah, usually endometriomas could be bilobed also.
Nói chị đo 4 mấy năm mấy có thêm 1 chiều nữa là 63 nha. Không tăng sinh mạch máu, không có dịch cùng vùng sau. Em mỗi hình kinh em có
So you can try here, yeah? We put the 3D on here. Okay, again, we go to 120 degrees. Okay, and this is fine here. And we take, you can see during the acquisition that you get the whole uterus. You see this is midline, and goes to the other side, you see? And this is the endometrium. So now we have the volume, okay, A, B, C, multiplanar. So you put the drop, on the fundus, but inside the endometrium, on top. I would go right here, you see? And now you make it flat, Z, just a little bit until it's perfect flat, maybe a little bit more. Now you go to B. You see how B is like this? So we Z, keep going. Yeah, look. Mid-coronal plane. See how easy? We do like this. And this is the mid-coronal plane of the uterus. So you go to C, and now you do Z rotation again. Right here. One plane. And now you can, this one you can change the position if you want to put in the middle, here, okay, and here you can go, you see here, you can go inside and out.
Okay, let's try.
So here you have a normal serosal fundus and normal endometrium. Now, we go back to here, bring the render. So you get the box. How can you make the box? Where's the GE person? I want to make it flat on top, not curved.
Cái này nó thẳng ra em.
Ấn nút
Ấn nút nè.
Curve.
Okay, now I want it
Cái này
flat.
nó thẳng ra nè, cái đường này đang cong mà giờ muốn thẳng tắp ra. No, this nè.
Yeah, it's here. Let me show you. The curve, no.
I think we just choose
A. Now we have to change here. Change the position. Change ROI. Okay, no problem.
Like can go back to the
No, but it can't. It always comes out the curve. But it's okay. We can do with curve. So go ahead in A, and you make it very, very tiny, right over the. So you change right here. You see? Change the size.
Okay.
Small. Yeah.
Wow.
Smaller.
Small
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay, right there. Now we go here, B, go to B. Make it wider, because you see how we cut the uterus here? But keep it small, tiny. And maybe we need to do a little bit of rotation on B with the Z, just a little bit. See how I brought this with me? Yeah? Now you go to this one. You can do Z rotation. Yeah? And here you can change a little bit to see where is the best position. Okay, and here's the serosal surface and the enemy. And you can change the contrast with the brightness.
Where this zone, huh?
Yeah, you see a little bit of adenomyosis here?
It's thick here.
Yeah, you see adenomyosis here. And then this changes the threshold. You can make it brighter and smaller, and then you can change. You see here different options. So we can go to Sono Life.
Wow.
You see, and you can change the difference that you want.
Okay.
And surface, endometrium.
Different.
Yeah, different.
And really clearly.
Yeah. Endometrium and serosa, so it's perfectly normal.
Okay.
Then we go right here. If you want to, let me see what we can do here. So the other option is we can go back to multiplanar. Okay, and here you can increase the thickness, VCI. So you see here, this is 5 millimeters. So you can make it thinner or thicker, between like MRI, you see? And you can see better.
So what difference between multiplanar and random?
Multiplanar is without the volume. It's just three perpendicular planes, 2D ultrasound. The render, let me show you. So render, this is the box of tissue. So let me show you one thing. I'm in A. I will make the box very big. Okay? So that tells me this box of tissue is here. This box of tissue has this size, and this size. So if I rotate on this box of tissue, you see I'm rotating the whole block of tissue. So if I do like this, let me magic cut. Magic cut here, you can cut inside. So I'm going to box inside. So what I do, I will start here. I will do like this. I'm cutting everything that is here. See? And if I turn, this is inside the uterus now. You see, it's like a block of tissue. If I want to cut like this,
inside a
see,
block.
inside the block of tissue, you can cut inside and rotate, you see? And you go back, you see where you are? Yeah. Yeah, so let's practice some more.
But to make to help the make diagnosis, we use a
multiplanar, and then but this one will help a lot. So always, if you are lost, you can say, I want to go to the initial acquisition. We'll take you to your first acquisition.
Just at the beginning.
At the beginning, yeah. Do you want to continue? Yes, it will take. See, this is what we acquired first. This is important. The multiplanar. The 3D gives you more contrast. You can see better with the 3D ultrasound than the multiplanar. But they are both the same concept. Totally the same concept. Yeah? Okay. So let me show you 4D. So now you are here. We go 4D ultrasound. Here, let me see if this one has. Does not have, OmniView. Okay. So you see this line right here in 4D. So when you put this line here, will automatically bring you, if you stay in the mid-sagittal plane, you can make a curve. So see if you can come in the mid-sagittal plane to show the endometrium better. Yeah, stay here. So I'm going to do like this to here. And I'm going to put this curve like this, yeah? The same concept. Hit right here, without acquiring a volume, you'll have this, and the mid-sagittal coronal plane.
When we see the beautiful view free.
Yeah, this is 4D.
4D, yes.
Yeah, it's easier, but the quality you need to work on a little bit. Yeah, and we can try, yeah. Not as good as the 3D, yeah.
Okay.
But it's easy to do.
Yeah. Tử cung ngã sau ha, nội mạc.
Let me show you one thing. If you, as you come out, maybe on the next patient, when you go in, I want to show you how you can get the urogynecology, the plane of the.
Em ghi trong cơ tử cung có những cái hình ảnh sọc bóng lưng ha. Mà đã rộng một chút xíu em buồng trứng phải em có cắt gì không vậy? Chị em thấy cái buồng trứng phải của em vậy? Hả?
Dạ không.
Không hả? Không có mổ gì hết hả? Nó lẫn vào cái buồng trứng phải.
Chỉ có màu xanh thôi.
Ok. Lạc nội mạc với theo dõi u lạc nội mạc buồng trứng phải trái ha. Nang đa thùy buồng trứng trái, nghĩ u lạc nội mạc cộng lạc nội mạc thông cơ.